Okay, welcome back. It is day 174 of coding every day. Um, Today was honestly a very lazy day. Woke up quite late and kind of just sat around and I guess enjoyed my day. It wasn't that enjoyable, but I didn't do much, so I just recorded me literally just restyling the login forms for the app, and then there were some errors on. There's some errors for some reason between development environments between my laptop and my virtual machine that I'm running on my Windows, uh, operating system on my desktop. Um, I'm pretty sure that's the problem. It's something in the routes within like I don't know. Anyways, so I just fixed that. And yeah, that's literally all I did today. As for like timeline of, so I'm going down to Texas. I'm leaving for the drive on Thursday. Um, so a week from now. Um, Now next Thursday. Excuse me. Next Thursday, I think I'll record. I mean, Thursday and Friday are full driving days, so I'll probably record at maybe like a cafe or something, or in my car those days. Um, and then on that Saturday, I will have uh, I'll be at the dorm, which I think is a four-person dorm, but we all get our own bathroom and room, which is nice. That's what I did last summer. Um, I heard I looked up like some reviews on the apartment complex, and it was like mixed reviews. It was like, oh, they're kind of old and kind of dirty, but the picture seemed okay. Um, but yeah. In the meantime, though, the rest of this week and next week, I think it would be amazing if I could get the proof of concept of this application up and running by the time I'm down there. Because it'd be cool for my partner for the research if we could use it for like actively test our research over the summer with planning it out using my app. That would give me tons of information on like if this proof of concept works, and that's also why it would be like if I can get to the end of next week and have something that is working, um, and that I'm like, okay, this actually has something to it, and then I can start slowly being like, give it to my friends or students I've worked with and be like, hey, you know, because the big idea I have, oh, excuse me, is the summer. The proof of concept works, and I'll take the summer to really smooth out a lot of it. And then in the fall, it'd be amazing to promote it to my school and on campus and put up like flyers and stuff like that, and put posting on the different things and talk to classmates and like be like, hey, you want to try this out and stuff like that. That'd be amazing. So that's mainly what I'm going to be doing for the next over the next couple weeks. And then I think I'm going to start looking back at applying to stuff for like the fall and see if there's any internships I can apply for. And starting to get a game plan going for full-time employment and what that's going to look like um, post grad, or hopefully it doesn't come down to looking for it post grad. It comes down to I'm looking for or I get it during my senior year. So I just want to kind of sit down and kind of think, and now everything's subject to change, but kind of think of a general um, strategy here of what I want to do. Because the further I start planning out because if, for instance, if I want to specialize in something, which I probably should, I think that will give me my best chances. I, I should probably, sorry, I should probably start doing that right now, getting prepared. So when those interviews come this year, I can be a great candidate as a, you know, senior, as a almost post grad. So yeah, that's where my head's at. Just gonna keep working on this throughout the week. I'll show you snippets and updates for these recordings, and yeah, so um, that's all I have for today. I will see you tomorrow for day 175. Take care.